In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have only one icon component for all icon sizes in Figma. This is a handy trick for designers who want to streamline their workflow and enhance consistency in their designs. It's a simple process that will take just about 5 minutes or so. Let's dive right into the details. To begin with, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful collaborative design tool that many designers use for creating interface designs, wireframes, and more. Once you are at the Figma website, look for the login button and click it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can quickly create one to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see options and menus that will assist you in navigating the platform. Our next step is to locate and click on the Design tab. This will open up your design workspace where all the magic happens. Now it's time to get hands-on. Click and drag to select the objects you want to include in your icon component. You can choose multiple layers or single elements, depending on what your icon requires. Just make sure everything you want is highlighted. Once selected, you should right-click on the chosen items, which will bring up a context menu. Here, you're going to select Group, which bundles these items together as a single unit. This process is crucial as it consolidates all elements into a manageable format, making design changes more streamlined. After grouping the elements together, the next step is to convert this group into a component. With the grouped elements still selected, look for the option to create a component in the toolbar and click it. This turns your group into a component which you can now use across different parts of your designs at varying sizes. This method ensures that your icons maintain a consistent design even if they are scaled up or down, saving you the hassle of creating multiple versions of the same icon. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to create a versatile icon component that can be used at any size within your Figma designs. This method not only enhances your design consistency, but also optimizes your workflow by minimizing the need to manually adjust icons for various sizes. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Figma.